The flip of tatting is easier for beginners to learn while tatting a chain using two different colors. Put one color on the shuttle, I've used black, and I've tied it to a multicolored ball thread. Hold on to the knot and wrap the ball thread over your hand. And around a finger to get tension on the thread. I wrap under and around my little finger, but do what works best for you. Unwind just a comfortable length of thread from the shuttle. Put the shuttle under both threads. Then back over the thread that's on your hand and under the shuttle thread. Now to flip the stitch from the shuttle to the thread that's on your hand. Close your hand slightly to allow less tension on that thread while pulling the shuttle thread straight. And there's the flip. The first half of a double stitch. Slide it into place in the pinch between your fingers. Here's the second half of a double stitch. Let the shuttle thread hang down. Put the shuttle under the far side of the thread that's on your hand and back towards you. Close your hand slightly while pulling the shuttle thread straight. With practice, this becomes a muscle memory that you won't even have to think about anymore. And there's a completed double stitch. I'll demonstrate the next double stitch using a slightly different technique. For the first half, go under both threads and back over the thread that's on your hand. The flip is done in the same way as in the first demonstration. For second half, let the shuttle thread hang. Pass the shuttle over the thread that's on your hand and then back under it. Relax your hand and pull the shuttle thread straight for the flip to happen. And there's the second half of the double stitch. I hope this demonstration helps.